positrons. This is a very brief introduction to positrons. I intend to get facts right and leave the rest up to your interpretation and further explorations. Please look up positrons if you'd like to know more. I will put some links for you in the description so you can find out more from there. Positrons essentially are positively charged versions of the electron. They are the electron's antiparticle. So they exist as the equivalent antiparticle of the electron. When they appear in this universe, generally speaking, that is to say probably more than 9 times out of 10, probably a lot more than 9 times out of 10, they are annihilated by an electron immediately. And I mean immediately, because as soon as a positron meets an electron, as soon as the positron meets an electron, it's gone. It's annihilated. This is the equation for that. Now, you're going to find in your explorations of positrons, and particularly with regards to positron-electron pairing, that this little simple equation that I've given here is very commonly referred to. This is a positron with a plus sign and an electron with a minus sign for negative. And they come together and can combine and produce 2 photons. Okay? These little Y's are science speak for photons. You'll also find in your explorations that if you put two photons together, they can produce an electron and a positron. So would you believe this system is reversible? Now I've put in red here the energy states, the energy quotient, the energy mass equivalent, whatever you want to call it, the energy. The photons here combined from the positron and the electron. Okay, so the positron is 0.511 MeV, mega electron volts, and the electron is 0.511 MeV, mega electron volts. Combined, they produce a pair of photons which are of the same magnitude. Now, this is theoretical, you understand. It's theoretical because you can't actually weigh the energy of a photon. You have to kind of mathematically deduce it. So all these weights and measurements in the energy field are the results of mathematical permutations that come about from experiment. The interesting thing that I'm looking at here is the fact that it's a reversible process. You can get electrons and positrons from photons, and you can get photons from electrons and positrons. That's interesting. So, look up positrons. I may well do more as we go into Series 3, because positrons definitely appear in Series 3. They are the opposite number, after all, of the electron, and the electron is the thing, as I explained in the previous video, that we continuously are subject to sensing, touching, being in interaction with. So where positrons fit into the equation is a very interesting question. I'm going to delve into it much more deeply in Series 3. Until then, I'll just leave you with this little snippet, and thank you very much for watching. Love you loads. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.